You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name and more confusing names and file names that many, or file extensions. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Two different ways of pronouncing it: JSON, and according to the founder of JSON, that's how you should say it, Douglas Crockford, JSON, but many say it also as JSON File. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.